If your Shopify store is getting traffic, but not enough sales, the issue is likely not your product. It could be your offer. Let me walk you through how to create an offer that makes people want to buy immediately. No fluff, no shortcuts, just what actually works in 2025. Here's a common misconception. People often think their product is their offer, but it's not true. Your product simply is what you sell. Your offer is how you present it. It's the price, the bonuses, the guarantee, the urgency that makes it irresistible. Consider this. 2 stores sell the exact same product. One makes 1 sale a day, the other makes 100 sales a day. Why the difference? It all comes down to how their offer is structured. Your offer answers the crucial question, why should I buy this right now instead of putting it off? First, let's talk about clear value. I'd recommend you stop listing your features and start listing the benefits. Instead of saying 100% organic cotton, say soft on sensitive skin even after 30 washes. People want to know how your product improves their life. What problem are you solving? What results can they expect? Make it obvious why they need your product right now. The clearer the value, the easier the decision to buy. You want to offer more than just the product. Think about what you can add to increase the value of your offer. For example, you could include a free guide, a tutorial, a digital download, maybe even a useful accessory. You might even have an exclusive early access or limited time item. Let's say you add something like order today and get a free travel pouch this week only. This creates urgency and gives the customer extra value, making it a compelling reason to buy it now instead of waiting. Nobody likes to miss out. If your offer is always available, it doesn't feel urgent. This is why it's crucial to create some real scarcity. For example, you could say only 23 left in stock, or orders close Friday night. You can offer a free gift with the first 100 customers. If you add urgency, you push your customers from thinking about it to actually acting on it. Urgency turns a maybe later into I need this now. People trust other people. If your customers love your product, invite them to show it. Include real reviews from actual buyers, video testimonials from happy customers, and use user-generated content that shows your product in real-life use. You can even add those as seen in logos or some media mentions. When you include social proof, you're not just claiming your product is good, you're showing that others believe in it too. That builds trust and moves potential customers closer to making the purchase. The final piece is removing fear. A strong guarantee or return policy gives the customers confidence they need to make that purchase and feel secure. Offering things like a 30-day money-back guarantee, no hassle returns, or simply saying, don't love it, we'll make it right, reassures them. Most people aren't afraid of spending money. They're afraid of wasting it. By offering a risk reversal, you turn hesitation into action and make the decision to buy much easier for them. Let me show you how this works in action. Here's the before version. You've got a product photo, a title, price, and add to cart button. That's it. Now let's look at the after version. A headline that highlights the benefit of the product, then a free bonus like a travel pouch plus a downloadable guide. You get real reviews showcased before the fold, and an urgency badge that says only 14 left in stock. You can also add a 30-day guarantee and offer free shipping on orders over $50. It's the same product, but a completely different offer. You don't need a new product, you need a better offer. Take a moment to review your store and ask yourself, am I clearly showing the value of my product? Am I giving customers a real reason to act now instead of later? Do they feel comfortable and safe buying from me? If you're unsure, start there and test one change at a time. That's how real brands build long-term success through consistent, deliberate improvements. Like everything else, building a great offer is a skill. And once you nail it, everything else falls into place. So keep learning, keep testing, and always build with a purpose. That's all for today. Now go fine-tune your offer and watch your conversion rate skyrocket. And if you need help, you can reach out to me in my community, expertbymonday.com/community. Till then, have a great day.